errors as teaching learning tools. Teachers encounter a great number of errors in students' productions. Traditionally, errors were seen as a systematic breach of the code. However, nowadays, it is considered that errors come from learners' manifestation of their hypotheses, styles, and strategies. There are many classifications when it comes to errors. We have, for example, lexical errors and phonological errors, but there are some categories based on the processes that seem to have originated them that are worth mentioning. Rating errors correspond to the level of achievement they reflect as regards communication. Error type measures form and meaning. Error class distinguishes between errors produced by interference from the native language, interlingual, and those made within the code of the foreign language, which are intralingual errors that can be a result of accessing attempts, as overgeneralization, confusion, or misunderstanding, a simplification of the system, the message or the syllabus, and shortcutting, when we find copying, conditioning, and adherence to first form or meaning learned. The last categorization distinguishes between compensatory and non-compensatory utterances and errors for pedagogical purposes. Let's take a look at the following error. For me too, I'm agree. This is an example of a recurrent and fossilized error in the teacher's classes in different levels of a secondary school in Aymogasta, La Rioja. The level of the students is A1, following the Common European Framework of Reference classification. Students have 3 40-minute lessons per week. They work with a course book and usually have a different English teacher each year. It is worth mentioning that this error not only occurs with the first person singular of the verb to be, but also it is very frequently heard in the third person singular is. This can be considered a language problem. What can be done when there is a problem related to language? Brumfitt clearly summarizes that applied linguistics concern real-life issues that are centered in language problems, assessing them from a theoretical and empirical point of view.